The resort, Bawang. You see here, ito yon mismo. Yeah, mula doon, mula dito naman sa harap. You see, I love you door. See, I'm with Sir Tour, the General Operation Manager here. So yon. Okay, this one is the villa. This is the biggest villa here with the mini pool in front. Alright, so yan, and then yun yung view mo in front sa dagat. Okay, let's go inside here. Let's go inside here. Let's go inside. Oh, see?
Nung mula nang makalala ko si Sir Tor, solid na.
Ang ganda. Oo. Ang ganda. Oo. This is good for, sir, this is good for how many persons? 6 and then pwedeng mag-additional ng bed. So total of
dito lang sa
8 to 10. Oo.
Pero gusto ko to, sir. Hanap lang ako.
Alam ko ba, pwede ka sa bathtub.
Ay, si Marcos.
Oh, ay nako, magugustuhan to ni Kos. Ito yung bathtub.
Yung friend ko, nagawa siya ng...
This is inside the comfort room. Yeah.
No swimming pool, no bathtub.
Hindi ba?
Sa hotel, pag pinagawa lang ko na sila sa pool area, hinaano yung bathtub. Pero dito ko na sila yan, no?
Sure.
Oh.
Ito, sir, ang gusto ko.
Kaya
Gusto ko kasi pag nagbabantay ako sa kanila, hindi ako lalabas na.
Ito may pulawan na dito.
Tapos with ano pa yan? With smart TV.
Smart TV.
And ano, internet.
Yes.
Eh, pag 2 days, dapat lalong malamigis na.
Siyempre.
Kasi sabi namin, mabibigyan siya sa overnight. Hindi namin
Hanapin natin si Sir Jeric.
Mas lalo mapapagod.
Tapos yung bata. Oo.
ito yung kaya yun. So, pag
So this one, Hodor Resort, sleepers talaga. Ayan, no?
tubig ang kilat sa kanila. Kasi na-energetic siya, tapos nakita namin. Basta kayo nag-heal. Kasi bata pa. Kaya...
Here, see? Oh, personal rep. Yeah. Alright. With the smart TV. Nice. Tapos yun yung harap. Diba? And si Sir Jeric siya in charge for this resort. Ayun, no? Mini pool. Kung ayaw mo nang mainit, doon mismo sa beach na yan, dito ka lang mag-chill. Yeah.
Binablog ka na pala na ng guest ko.
Siyempre.
Here's our villa.
Yeah. Yeah. See? Kos. Kaya. Udor Resort in LU. See? Guys, Bawang. Ito yung front mismo ng villa na to. Oh, this is the front, okay? So you can play here dito sa sand na to. Siguro mga 4, 5, ang gandang maglaro dyan mga bata. Tapos yan na yung dagat. Diba? No problem, very safe kasi merong lifeguard. So and then, kabuuan yan. Yeah. Kabuuan yan here. See? Oh. Yun, no? Oh. Diba? Ang ganda. Oh. Here is your place. Oh. One more. Mamimili ka with the swimming pool or sa mismong beach nila in front of your villas. Okay, so per year and deluxe. So good for how many persons is this? Tatlo. Oo, ang 4.
Okay, we're coming to check the deluxe swimming pool.
Okay, sige. Let's check inside.
Yes.
Check inside. Oh.
Welcome po. We have two single beds din, ma'am.
Ayun.
Papaliwanag po
This is the deluxe room. Okay.
Deluxe swing, ma'am.
Deluxe room, why gusto? Hindi siya amoy-downy.
Tapos iyan yung harap ng pool. Ayun. So okay.
Yung rep nyo, may freezer. Yung rep nila doon, walang freezer. Kaya insulin ko, sir.
Okay. So paglabas mo,
ito
yun, yung kanina. Paglabas mo,
Matutuwa si Tin dito.
so this one here, paglabas mo dun sa room mo, may sarili kang pool. Diba? Ayan o. Ganun kahaba yun. Bawat room, nasa harap mo mismo yung pool. Kung gusto mo nang mag-chill lang, tapos harap mo pa rin yung dagat. Diba? Only here at Eudor Resort, Bawang, La Union. Right? And then yan, oh. Tapos nagko-coffee kayo here. Tapos dito, may reclining, what do you call that one? So, ayan. This is the room here. See? Oh.
Normally, 8 o'clock lang naman.
This is good for 3-4 maximum. And then, this is it. Napakamura. Tingnan nyo lang yung page ng Eudor.
So, mas maluwag dito kaysa sa TT.
Doon, sir, makabinet nila yung malalaki yung memo mo. Sabi ko, creepy, tito din, creepy. Alam mo, nagtagabi ng mga
Okay.
si Jad, tito din nagpasama ako, hindi ko makayanin matulog.
And then, this is it. This is, yeah, there's the toilet here. Oh. See, the same actually, pare-parehas. Yung laki lang pinagkaiba ng mga toilets nila.
Kaya lang, instead na full yung ano dun sa kabila, pero yung basement style siya. Kasi
One more
yung
look.
sa lobby, bumaba kami ng 4 na. Kaya hindi ako komportable.
Superior room na twin bed.
Alright.
Almost the same na ating deluxe, pero the only difference because they have their own swimming
In front, yeah.
in front.
Ito.
And this is 29.8 square meter compared to the 31.2 square meter.
O delivery.
Oh. But, pag nandito ka ba, for this room, sir, you don't have access to go there for that pool? O pwede?
The only access that you can do is the infinity.
Infinity, but this side, no more kasi this is for the facing the rooms. Okay.
Exclusive.
Yeah. So, yeah, yun. Okay. With 2 rooms naman. I mean, beds. Okay. Nice. Same.
Dito siya mag-stay.
Okay, this one is the hallway ng mga rooms. Alright.
Sabi ko sa kanya para mali.
Exit tayo from these rooms. Ayun na. Alright, so go to the main lobby. Here. See? Sir, ilang floor to?
Hanggang third floor.
Hanggang third floor.
Ikot kita sa ating mga bitahe,
So here, okay. Hidden Jade Cuisine. Oo. The reception area. Yeah. Hello, good morning. Go up, please. So let's go up to the floors.
Kaya naglakad ako. 3, sir.
Sa third muna tayo.
Third muna. This is the third floor, Eudor Resort.
Okay, we have a small for the kids.
For the kids, okay. May playroom. May playroom sila with the ping pong.
Gusto nila.
Yeah, playroom with the ping pong. Ang bango. Yeah. One of the amenities na yan pag naka-check-in, no?
Yes.
This one, yeah.
Pati yung gym po natin.
I'm sorry?
Gym.
Gym. Okay. There's the gym naman. Ito yung gym naman. Amenities na rin. Uy. Di ba magaganahan kang tumakbo dyan? Oo, may treadmill eh. Oh.
Very nice here.
Tama. Oh, ayun yung harap mo. Kita mo pa rin dun sa baba. While treadmill ka. This is the second floor. Yeah. Second floor, a view door. Ano tong room na to? Meeting room. Okay. Meeting room kung may mga small group.
Meeting,
Mm.
conference meeting, exclusivity for mga small meeting.
Oo. This is the ballroom. Oh,
Pag
malaki. Oh, malaki. There's the Hidden Jade cuisine nila here inside of Eudor. Okay, for the buffet, for the breakfast, for the lunch. So, ito 'yon. Sige, we'll try for our lunch today.
Currently, ito yung outsource restaurants, the Hidden Jade Cuisine. They have 3 branches actually already. One in Calamba, in Laguna, one in Escoma.
For this Hidden Jade na to. Ganon. Okay.
In Boracay also. And this is the 4th branch of that.
All right.
Kumbaga, nag-cater sila sa atin sa concept.
para maano ko sila. Yun lang po yun. Kasi nakita ko, bored sila dun sa manager. Pag nilito pa kalakan sa sulat. Yung occupancy po nila is parang
So yeah, this is the chow fan here at Eudor. Yeah, the special fried chicken. Yeah, from the Hidden Jade. Yeah, see? Oh. Nung Hong Kong kami, favorite namin 'yon. The birthday canton noodles, yeah, birthday noodles.
Ako Jet Stain, wala ka, sorry.
Oo. So, 'yon. Matikman namin ngayon kung ano ang masasabi namin sa kanilang yeah. Sige. Wala pa. Sige, let's try for this. Okay, ma'am, tell me your name. You are the
I am the sales executive po of Eudor Resort.
Okay.
Right now. So I'm under Windsor Store. And Eudor Resort is just very new in La Union. So we just opened October po. And then we'll be having our grand opening very soon. So watch out for that.
All right.
And Eudor Resort is the very first resort under Wilcon Company. So we're expecting it to be more pa. So I think we will be having on Siargao din po, Benguet, and other sponsors.
Yeah, we do have in the pipeline in Boracay as well. And then Palawan. And also Bohol. It's under construction na rin siya. That will be in Panglao sa Bohol.
Oh.
So, hopefully, mag-expand pa tayo ng Samal.
Okay.
Sa Davao din. And Tagaytay as well, there's already. And kasi may farm siya rin. Sa
Hindi na healthy hangin doon.
All right.
We're looking forward that the Eudor Resort will be a bigger local hotel group company that will catering to the Filipino hospitality.
Okay, sir. Sir, ma'am, invite sa mga natin, sa mga friends natin, na planning magpunta dito. Kasi before, pag sinabing LU, lang, surfing right, di ba? Surfing lang. Pero ngayon, other than, ito na, di ba? Mayroon din kayong mga activity, di ba, ng water sports. Sige,
one thing, yes po, I would like you to invite since pa-summer na po. So I think it's very best to come over here in LU. That's what they call La Union, LU. So we have here in Eudor, we have water sports activities like jet ski, banana boat. We also have crystal kayak. So you don't, hindi muna po kailangan lumayo pa. So we have here in Eudor Resort na po.
Meron din bang nagtuturo here for surfing? Meron din sa inyo?
Yes po.
Meron din. Okay. So nice. So yun na.
Recreational and sports activities is handled by our licensed lifeguard. So the activities, we are the first resort also in Bawang, La Union that will cater recreational such as what Ms. Jessa has mentioned. We are inviting everybody to come. The summer season is coming up, so we are looking forward to everybody to join us here for the summer, have fun, and the splendor of the relaxations of the resort.
Which is the grand opening October. Soon. Oh. All right.
Just follow us on our social media
Okay, what is the social media?
So you can search po on Facebook page, Hudor Resort Bawang, and then click po yung follow there. We also have Instagram, Hudor Resort Bawang.
All right, thank you so
By the way,
much.
apart from that,
Yeah.
I'd just like to promote also our Hidden Jade Cuisine, the Chinese restaurants that is part of our services here at Theodore. And for other people who knows the famous FJC, the Hidden Jade Cuisine, has 3 branches in Metro Manila. One in Balantawak, one in Boracay as well, they have it already, and also in Calamba, Laguna.
All right, thank you, sir. Sir Tor, thank you. Nice to see you again, sir.
Nice to meet you again.
Yeah.
Miss Rhea.
Okay.
Glenn Hub, mag-subscribe sa Glenn Hub. Manood po kayo. Good luck sa Glenn